Right, let's post a picture, right? I'm gonna do it because this is what I want to use Hootsuite myself for a lot. I've got a picture that I've just downloaded. It's this one. The past is in your head, the future is in your hands, and I've put 2020. So, geez, it's only end of August. I might get slated for putting this, right? So I'm gonna type in the past, or I'll put this. 2022 is. Are you ready? Hashtag it, happy me, Inc, happy me, right? And then it's ready to go, right? So now I'm going to decide which profiles that's going to go to, and I want to send it to Instagram, and you can send videos to Instagram. So that would go to Instagram, right? But I also might send it to the Happy Me profile, to my own Facebook profile. Let's put it on my Facebook, my LinkedIn page. Let's post it to my Twitter, and let's do it to the Drink with Paul experience on Facebook as well, right? So I'm posting it to all of my social networks in one go. Now, if I wanted to, I could at hashtag. So I could at hashtag, I don't know, who should we say? Who do we think said that? Somebody like Tony Robbins. So it's going to say here, Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn, Tony Robbins, right there. So on Twitter, I can tag Tony Robbins. Tony. On Facebook, I'm going to keep typing Tony Robbins. Oh, it's not going to find it, is it? Tony. Is he Anthony Robbins on Facebook? Right, you see what I mean? But you can. Might be Anthony Robbins. Oh, there it is. Tony Robbins, right? So I can tag him on Facebook, and I can. Let's go LinkedIn, see if we can find him on LinkedIn. Now the problem is, I think what will happen here. Let's have a look. Anthony Robbins companies. Let's just tag that, right? I think what will happen is it will tag the first, or it will tag the relevant person on, say, to this. Sorry. So this is the Instagram page. So it will tag Tony Robbins, but then it says Tony Robbins, Anthony Robbins companies, which doesn't make a lot of sense on Instagram. And then on Facebook, it'll go at Tony Robbins, which is the Instagram tag. It will tag the Facebook Tony Robbins. And then finally on LinkedIn, the Anthony Tony Robbins. So you may want to just post it separately if you want to tag somebody. If you don't want to tag anybody, then you are fine to pull the trigger on all of them, right? And again, I can schedule it. So I might want to schedule that. Oh, what did I click on then? Schedule for later. No, I clicked that on, didn't I? So I might want to schedule that post for December the 31st, right? At 11:45 or 11:50 p.m. So then that would send it out 5 minutes before midnight, and I've scheduled it in August, right? Then it would come on my schedule. But I'm not gonna schedule it. Let me turn this off. I'm gonna post it now. Right, so it's gonna send it off across the networks. There it is, posted. If I go to my streams, go to my business social feeds. So there it is on Twitter. There it is on there it is on Facebook, and I can boost it right from here. If I've got a connection. If I've got ads connected to Facebook, I can do it. Here it is on my Instagram. Let's add a stream. Let's add a stream here and say Twitter and my schedule new followers, my tweets. There you go. I was looking for my timeline for some reason. So now here's my Twitter. So if I want to drag this across, I can put my Twitter now, right? So when I'm monitoring what I've done, let's add another stream. What's missing? My LinkedIn page, right? Or LinkedIn, like I used to call it, before I actually heard somebody say it. There, Paul, that's linked. What am I doing? Go here. Oh, clear this. Oh, click here. Profile, company updates, and there it is on my company LinkedIn page. Right? So when I come to it, or somebody else logs in, right, where are we? Our social feeds, our Paul's posted something. any comments that I can reply to, any mentions. As you can see, it has fired across all those pages and I've not had to log into any of those areas.